During the launch, the sales need to be high. Like I said before, it really spikes after you have the reviews and, after the Amazon sees you converting on words, and then they just, you're converting on men's shoes, and then all of a sudden they see, okay, you're converting on men's shoes well, now we're gonna test them out for men's shoes for running, men's running shoes. And then if you convert on that, then they're gonna keep testing you out on more and more words to see where you're converting and where to rank you. So like it says, I like to split the shipment in two, show Amazon. And another thing also is to show Amazon that you have a good ratio of stock when you first launch. Like I don't want to be overstocked and look like I have too much stock, I'm not selling quick enough. So like I want the perfect balance. It's kind of like if you're, like when you're doing a lightning deal. I don't like to, some people like to set it like, they'll tell you minimum is 10 or 20. Some people like to set it at like 100 for each SKU in the parent, but that's not good. I like to set it at 10, whatever the minimum is, leave it, let them see that the conversion, that it's selling through, it has a good sell-through rate, 80% claimed, and then add a little bit more. And it's two reasons that helps. First of all, Amazon's algorithm sees that, they can't get enough of it, like whatever you're putting available is flying through. And then also the customers, the customers see like, oh, this is 80% claimed, they're gonna wanna buy it. It just increases the conversion rate, as opposed to if somebody's looking at your deal and they see 0% claimed, ends in a few hours, or 4% claimed, like it sucks. So pricing is like very important. You have to be very aggressively priced on Amazon, especially during the launch. You're not supposed to try to make money in the beginning. You're supposed to try to rank for as many keywords as possible. I like to go at a low price, something that's just gonna make them wanna buy no matter what. Like they have to feel like, wow, I'm an idiot if I don't buy this product because it's so well priced. Because keep in mind, you don't have the reviews yet. You don't have that, so like you need to get them. And then also with the ads, you don't have reviews either, and like you want to be able to advertise. So if you don't have the reviews and you're advertising, and Amazon's seeing that you're not converting well on all these words, then they're seeing like negative things about your listing. Like they want to see every keyword is converting. If you show them that every single keyword is converting well, they're gonna start to show you organically, and everything's gonna really come together. And then also another thing, people like to increase the price very quickly. You should never do that. You have to increase the price a little bit. You have to look at the sales and make sure that the organic rank is sticking. You have to make sure that you want the sales to continue increasing as you're raising the price. Like obviously towards the end, maybe you'll see a little bit of hesitation with the sales, but like in the beginning, you want to keep building up the momentum. So you need to tweak it in very little price raises. The PPC, two ways. First of all, I've done a lot of listings on Amazon with no PPC until we got reviews. And some people are like, it kills the honeymoon period. We want to start advertising from day one. It didn't kill the honeymoon period. We ranked amazingly. We didn't start advertising for 3 weeks. It was fine. It really depends on the product. It depends on how cheap you're going. If you're going to be like insanely cheap, that no matter what, they're going to want to buy it, advertise, But if for some reason you have a certain product that's going to need some reviews, I would say hold off. Don't advertise yet. You don't want to show Amazon that you're advertising on this word and they're seeing clicks and they're not seeing sales. They're looking at it from day one. And Amazon's not stupid. They could tell, this guy's not advertising yet. But now they see, as soon as he started advertising and showing this listing to the customers for this word, now they're buying it. Like they know you didn't advertise it yet. So that's another thing. PPC, I like to focus on the high converting keywords. I like auto campaigns. A lot of people don't like auto campaigns. I don't know why. Auto campaigns usually do very, very well if your listing is optimized right. Don't be cheap with the ads. If it's selling out, keep raising it. Have a very, very big budget. That's another reason why people want to launch like 20 items at once, but like their budget doesn't support that. Like, it's better that they launch 5 items at once and they just use the same budget that they had and just really put it all on those listings, make it very, very strong.